In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images together on Canva. The first thing you want to do is you want to load into the Canva website, then go ahead and select on create a new design. Go ahead and select on custom size and enter in whatever size you want to work with. So for this video, I'm going to be using 1280 by 720, just like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on create new design. Then it is going to open up a template that looks like this, and we do have a blank page. So the first thing you want to do is you want to upload one of the images that you would like to blend in together. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and blend in this like beach scenery that we do have over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that it fills the entire screen just like so. There you go. Then the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select over here to where it says elements. Then over here in the elements tab, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and search for gradient. So I actually recommend using a white gradient in order for this to actually work. So yeah, go ahead and select over here to where it says white gradient. And all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and find a white gradient. So you want to go ahead and find something that looks like this. So as you're able to tell, we have like a gradient coming out in like one side, like at the bottom, and then it's slowly fading out towards the top. This is exactly what we need to use. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and just rotate it like so. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting it towards one side of the screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and just adjust it to your liking. So to make this really good, I recommend you go ahead and just right click on it, then go ahead and press on duplicate, then duplicate once again, duplicate a couple more times until you're satisfied with the area that it actually does cover. Okay, so in this example, this entire left side is going to be like replaced with the second image that we're going to be using. So now that you have all your gradients, what I recommend you guys do is actually try to select all of them just like so. Then go ahead and right click and then press on group just like this. And you can go ahead and adjust things to your liking as well. So you can go ahead and adjust the size, how much of the screen you want it to take up. All of this is completely up to you. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and press on add page, and then we're going to go ahead and include the second image that we're trying to blend into. So for this video, we're going to go ahead and blend into this image over here of this really cool building. So I'm just going to go ahead and just stretch it out like so. Alright guys, and now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go back to the gradient that we did just make. We're going to go ahead and right click on it. Then we're going to press on copy. Come over here, go ahead and press on paste. Then we're going to go ahead and just rotate it to flip it to the other side like this, so you can go ahead and place it right over here. So yeah, it's not exactly perfect, so you may need to go ahead and adjust it. So what I recommend you guys do is go ahead and just press on duplicate like so, and you basically want to make it so it aligns with this one. So notice how this one kind of ends over here where like I'm pointing my mouse at. We're going to go ahead and try to get this gradient all the way up to here in order to get the full effect of this. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep on going. So yeah, you should get something that looks like this, but obviously your images are going to look slightly different. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is we're going to go ahead and press on share, and we're going to be downloading both of these pages separately. So I'm just going to go ahead, press on download, and where it says select pages, go ahead and just select on page 1 for starters, and then go ahead and just press on download like so. All right, there you go. We got page 1 downloaded. So now let's go ahead and download page 2 by just pressing on download, going ahead where it says select all pages and select on page 2. And then there you go. Go ahead and press on download once more. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to press on the add page button again, because we're going to be working with another page. So the next thing you want to do is you want to drag in and drop both images that you did just create. So let's go ahead and drag both of them. So this is the first one of this like really cool landscape. So let's go ahead and just drag it out here. And now let's go ahead and drag in the other image. Here it is. And we're going to go ahead and now fill it up. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and make sure that the second image is actually selected. Then we're going to go to the top menu and select on the transparency option. Then we're going to go ahead and drag down the transparency to around like 50% should be the sweet spot. So something that looks like this. And you can kind of already see where this is going. So once you have this done, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on share again, because we're going to go ahead and download this page. So this is page number 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on that. Then go ahead and press on done. Then go ahead and press on download once more. Once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on add a page one more time, because we do need to make one more. Then we're going to go ahead and drag in and drop the image of the two together. Yep, it should look something like this. And let's go ahead and make sure that it does fill up the entire screen until you get something that looks like this. All right, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the top menu one more time, but this time you want to select on edit. Then you want to go over here to where it says adjust. Then where it says brightness, you want to go ahead and just turn that down to like around negative like 40 should be good. You really have to like adjust this to your liking. It really does depend on what images you do use. And then where it says contrast, you want to go ahead and turn that up. And then you can go ahead and just adjust more of the options like the highlights, the shadows, the whites and stuff like that. And you basically want to adjust this until you're completely satisfied. And eventually you should get something that looks like this. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is just download your finished picture. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.